Nestled within the majestic hills surrounding Lake Wanaka, the Pembroke Terrace residential subdivision will see the creation of over 140 residential lots, offering 360-degree panoramic views over the upper Clutha Valley and southern Alps. Due to the 12-hectare overall catchment area and number of residential lots, Patterson Pitts Group approached Cirtex about installing a Triton Stormwater System. Cirtex worked closely with Cameron, Gibson and Wells to help configure this 44 metre long by 20 metre wide design. This system, with over 700 Triton S22 chambers, was able to accept a 750mm diameter pipe to deal with any large volume stormwater flow. The design utilised the Triton main header row, which would take the stormwater from the 750mm pipe and disperse it into each row of chambers.
The installation method has been really simple and straightforward, so we've undertaken some final percolation tests just to make sure that the design specs are actually met and the system's going to do what it was designed for.
The region's locally sourced porous rock and river pebbles are ideal for the Triton system, but one of the problems Jolly Earthworks had was sourcing, crushing and washing enough product to cover the system within the projected timeframe. Laid over a layer of Duraforce geotextile, the initial layer of aggregate was levelled using a GPS Laserland leveller before any of the Triton chambers were installed.
One of the key points that we would recommend anyone installing this system is spend the time investment up front on your first run and make sure everything's squared away. Following that, the arches go in really quickly and they're really straightforward.
Requiring a fast, easy to install and extremely cost efficient stormwater storage solution, the Triton system will provide the residents of Pembroke Terrace stability and peace of mind no matter the weather, as they enjoy their brand new homes amid the stunning views of the Southern Alps.